How are you? All of you must be fine. This live video is coming straight to you from Keen School, coaching center for RMS, Sainik and Navodaya, Secunderabad. Okay. So, as told to you, again, we are back with a different type of questions, a unique type of questions, and we are bringing you mock test continuously. This is for Navodaya. Today, we are going to tell about mock test 2. Okay. The main idea of ours is to enrich all the students how they have to attempt an competitive exam. Okay, so how you have to attempt an competitive exam? See, questions, a competitive exam doesn't tell you how the question pattern will be. So here our expert faculty has worked out and framed some questions which are totally different from what questions you think, and they have been doing it for so that you practice it well and you can score good marks. Okay, so if you listen carefully, children, don't sleep. Hope you all had your lunch. Nice chicken you must have eaten because of the house. And so see the pattern of questions, how they give. See, many questions are there which confuse you. Some are indirect, some are direct questions. Okay, so think like that, that this is just a normal exam and concentrate very well, especially when we are giving you this free mock test two today we are going to discuss, and many more mock tests we will be discussing with you. We will bring it live. So now we will see how I will tell you about our English, how the passages are made, how the questions are given. So mock test 2. Okay, already mock test 1 was over yesterday. Hope you all have done understood it well, and hope you are practicing it, because practice only makes a man perfect. You have to keep on practicing, then only you will be perfect in anything. Don't never be overconfident, and try to keep on practicing things, learning things, new things you have to learn, because our life is for learning only. Till our death we keep on learning things. Okay, so now let us see today mock test 2. Navodaya mock test 2 2024. Okay, see the passages. What is the difference in the four passages which will be given to you? You have to understand it. Okay, and you have to see the how it is. The questions are given from the passage. See, part you of course there is no grammar for part for you, but still to keep you in touch with grammar, they give some opposites, synonyms, antonyms, or parts of speech. So grammar from the passage itself, they are asking. So carefully listen, be happy, don't be nervous, don't be tense, come to one place, concentrate well, listen carefully. You will be benefited, I'm telling. This is for your benefit. We are working here to bring you the pattern of questions. Even we will tell you how you have to manage your time. See, time given is only 25 minutes to half an hour for English. So, how you have to read the passage? So, in the house, when you are, try reading books, try reading newspaper, enrich your English. Okay, if any meaning you are not knowing, ask your parents, your teachers, or you can refer to the dictionary. That okay. Hope you know how to use a dictionary, because that is the most important thing, and you can enrich your knowledge by reading only. How you will learn English means by reading only, reading and communicating. Okay, now let us come to the topic today. As I told, mock test 2, now that to the 24, it is English paper. Okay, so see the difference, you compare it with yesterday's passages. Okay, see yesterday's passage, today's passage, you will know the difference. Today, what is the passage? It is about humility. What the writer wants to tell is humility is a great virtue. Virtue means what? Humility is a great virtue. Virtue means quality. It is a great quality. Humility means what then? Humility, many of you must be thinking, what is humility? So, humility is what? Humbleness. You should be humble. You should not be proud. Okay, so that is the meaning of humility. That's why he's telling humility is a great virtue, the great quality. Okay, it means being humble, meek, and honest. So, These qualities every human being should have. Okay, if human being is having this quality, then only he will be considered to be a good man. There will be peace which will prevail all over the world. But the problem is many people are opposite to humility. So that's why it is the opposite of being proud. Proud and prejudice always are the first step for a man to fall down. Remember that. Never let pride come in your mind. Whatever you may be, you should be always simple and humble. Take, for example, our great president, Abdul Kalam. He was a great scientist, very respected person, but he was down to earth. That means he was very humble. So try, learn how to be humble. Okay, never be proud of your wealth or anything what you have. It is the quality of keeping ourselves under control. Such a person is not stubborn. Such a person is not a humble person will never be stubborn. He will try to adjust with everything. In every situation, he will adjust himself. Stubborn means what? Wanting one thing only, not listening to anyone. What you want, you want. That is stubbornness. Okay? He is open to the advice of others. See, always you cannot be right. You have to listen to the advice of other people. So, humble person only can listen to the advice of other people. Otherwise, if you are proud, you will think, "Arey, he doesn't know what he is teaching me. I know everything." Like that, that intention will be there with you. So that is not right. Always be humble. There are many things which you don't know, which others can teach you. This passage is telling you. And he is the master of himself. He is a humble person is a master of himself because he thinks, he listens to others, he learns from others' experience, and he applies it in his life. Okay, he does not become annoyed easily. He doesn't become angry. He will not get anger easily. Okay, a humble person admits his mistakes. See, in this world, the person who admits his mistake is considered to be the best person. Always, any mistake you do, don't try to defend it. Always try to admit, yes, I've done this mistake, I'm sorry. Nothing will happen if you admit your mistake. Try to admit your mistakes. Many people are there which have come through who will do wrong, but they will never say that I have done it. They will never admit to it. So that creates a problem in conflict between the two people. Okay, he admits his mistakes and shortcomings with a smile. Okay, he's always smile. Even if he has done a mistake, he'll smile and admit it. He is thoughtful because he's not self-centered. He's always thoughtful. He's thinking of being good at all times. Okay, not only for himself but for with others also. And he will be. I'm telling you, children, if your nature is very humble, you will be respected everywhere. People will like you. But if you are proud, people will never like you. Okay? So, this is the main thing in this passage. What the passage is teaching us? To be humble, not to be proud. And he has given the qualities. Why you have to be humble? What are the qualities of a humble person? See, all good qualities he has. Okay? So, try to be like that. Now you are small, so you may not understand. But as you grow, I'm telling from now itself, try to be humble with everyone. Okay. Now come to the question. See, humility means humbleness. So humility is a great quality. Evil, sin, fault. These are all opposites of it. So great quality. Humility is a great quality. Then what is the next question? Humility means being arrogant, being humble, being cruel, being unkind. So, being cruel, unkind, and arrogant are what? Tell. It's an antonym of humility. What is the right answer then? Being humble. Already explained to in the passage. And hope you all are listening carefully. Okay, concentrate sometime only. If you concentrate now, you will be benefited in the future. Remember that always. Okay, sacrifice your sleep for some days and work hard. Listen to these live videos. Okay, a humble person learns from the passage says from others' experience. See, he sees others how they are doing, how they are being so successful, how they are, why they are respected. When he sees others' experience, he learns from them. he takes it and applies in his life. That way he is also happy and successful. Stubborn is the proud is the synonym of. Already I told humility. You should be humble. You should never be proud. So proud is the synonym of humble. Okay. Proud is a synonym. Proud is a synonym of sorry, arrogant because meaning he has asked. So arrogant. This is the opposite. Okay. So this is arrogant is the right answer here. Because arrogant person will never listen to anyone. He will only think what he wants. He will do that only. He will never listen to his parents' advice also. Children, are you doing that? Tell me. Tell. Yeah, many of you will be doing now. You're only telling lies, I know. But don't do. Be humble. Okay? Don't be arrogant. Arrogant will not keep you happy anytime. Okay? Now, what you learn from that first passage, the main idea of the writer is to teach you what are the good qualities if you are humble in life. Okay? Now, about scientists and doctors. Scientists and doctors. These two very great personalities in the world. So, something regarding your body only, health only, you must be mentioning. From the starting, scientist and doctor, if you learn, read, you will know. Okay. So, scientists and doctors warn us about the dangerous effects of TV. This passage is basically especially for you children because you are always busy watching TV and not only watching TV, watching it from a very close range. Don't do that. It will spoil your eyes. It will spoil your organs because you'll be sitting at one place. Nowadays, see, technology has improved. Good. But there are many disadvantages also. And children don't take the disadvantage with you. Take only do only advantageous thing. See TV. I'm not telling don't see at all. See for some time. Once cartoon serial you see enough. Or see some good news channel to learn English, to know about what is going on around you in the world. That is good. That is acceptable. But always sitting, and especially many children I have noticed, they will sit near the TV to eat. While giving eating food, they watch TV or mobile phone. So it is not good habit. It will have future effect in your body. Okay, now scientists and doctor warn us about the dangerous effects of TV on various systems and organs of our body. As I already told you, it will affect your various system or organs of your body. Everyone on an average w- watches TV for 3 to 4 hours daily, which will do what? It will lessen your eyesight. Your eyesight will become weak. That's why I see many small children in small age itself. You are having spectacles. That is not good. Okay, children are the most affected because they watch TV from a close range. Children are more affected. Why? I told already before the passage itself that you sit very close to the TV. That is not good. Why you if you sit, keep a distance and sit also, you can watch and you can listen. Is there anything that you have to sit in front only? TV is not knowing that you are sitting in front. You are only knowing. Okay? So don't do that. Promise that you will sit far and see. Otherwise, what will happen? Your eyesight will get weakened very soon. That's why many children nowadays are having spectacles. More than elders, children are only having more spectacles. Children are the this has also resulted in a general complaint of headache. Then you complain, my head is aching. Many times you will say head is aching, I want to sleep. So parents also sometimes what they will think whether real or not. But if it is aching, your head is aching by watching TV, not good. You understand? Okay, you go far and watch the TV and don't watch for 3 4 hours. Watch 1 hour maximum. That is more than enough. Watching TV for long hours is harmful for physical health and mental growth. Your mentally also will not grow because now it is a growing stage for you. Okay, so if you watch TV for so much time, it will what will do? It will physical health also will go. How physical health? Obesity. Obesity will increase. Okay, the high pitched sound of dance, music, and fights presented in various programs may result in deafness. You put the volume, and if you see TV, it can result in your eardrums will get affected. So when eardrums get affected, you cannot hear anything. So that also they are warning. Watching TV continually in one posture also causes joint pain, backache, and muscle pain. One posture means sitting in one position. Posture means position. Sitting in one position only and watching TV also will, you will have joint pain, you will have back pain, muscle pain. So many things are coming. So why to see like that? Better not to leave seeing TV. Instead, you read some books. That is more, much better. That will enrich your knowledge more. Okay. Eating while watching TV makes our digestive system sluggish and causes obesity. When you are watching TV and eating, it's sluggish means slow, lazy. It makes your digestive system lazy, which unknowingly you don't know. You are not knowing, but slowly digestive system getting moving, acting very slowly, because of which obesity means you will become very fat. Scenes of horror and violence cause psychological problems among the youth. Scenes of horror means dangerous scenes and violent scenes. It has a very bad effect on, especially on children. Okay, that's why they are also behaving very violently nowadays. Many children I have noticed they are behaving very violently. If the teacher tells something, they will just shout. If a parents tell something, they shout on parents. That is not good, children. I am warning you. Don't do that. Okay. Always respect parents and don't never see this violence and all. This is all cinema. That is all stunts. So remember that this is not real life. Cinema is not a real life. Okay. So hope you understood it. And after I've told, hope you all will follow what I'm telling. Okay. Otherwise, there is no use of my telling this passage. Remember, follow. How many of you will promise me that you will follow all these guidelines of the doctor and scientist? Okay, good, good. Watching TV continuously for hours does not affect our. See, this is the question I was telling. You will read watching TV for long hours does not affect our. He has put this word not. Okay, he has put this word not here. So, negative question it is. It is what? Negative question. So, mental health, height, digestion, weight. So, what it will not affect? Only it will not affect your height. Otherwise, everything it will affect. Scenes of horror and violence cause psychological problems. Scenes of horror and violence cause psychological problems among the youth. It refers to problem connected to what? Connected to mind. Because psychological meaning itself with your brain, with your mind. Okay. So that's why watching TV mostly affects the eyesight of children. Because why did it affect mostly children? Mostly children. Why it affects? In the passage, what he has mentioned? He has mentioned what? That they watch TV from very close range. That's why. Okay. So the option C is the right option here. Remember, listen carefully. Nobody should sleep. Okay. After eating lunch, I know it is difficult, but you have to say to gain some good something, you have to sacrifice something. Yes or no? Yeah. So remember that and be watchful. See, if you listen today, you will benefit it tomorrow. If you listen and practice in this pattern, you will really, I'm telling you are going to get, there are 99.9% chances you will get a seat and you will score very good marks. Okay. The synonym of the word sluggish, I told your digestive system becomes sluggish, starts acting sluggishly, means slow. Sluggish means lazy. I told you slow. The antonym of the word harmful is injurious. Here, harmful is injurious. Okay. So that was the second passage. Hope you all will remember it. The doctor's advice and the scientists who have researched and found out all these things, that how TV is affecting our young generation. It is only for you, only children, this passage. They have researched and studied and come to the conclusion that these are the problems if its child watches for more hours, if he watches television. Okay. Now, this is about an environmentalist passage. Who is an Environmentalist, one who loves the nature, one who loves the nature and tries to protect the nature. He is an environmentalist. Okay, so he is a great social worker who Sundarlal Bahuguna. Sundarlal Bahuguna. So great environmentalist Sundarlal Bahuguna. Okay, he was born in a small village. He was born in a small. It doesn't matter wherever you are born. If you are good in things, if you are interested in doing something, you will be successful everywhere. He was born in small village of Uttarakhand. Now, Uttarakhand, what is the capital of Uttarakhand? It is Dehradun. Okay, so his village was situated in the upper hills. His village was in the upper hills. Lower hills, upper hills. Yes, the hill that is down is but natural lower hill. If you have seen Uttarakhand, if you have gone to Uttarakhand, you will see there are houses built on top of the hills. Okay, that's why landslide is more there. Flood comes. You every now and then it is affected with flood. It is affected with landslide. Okay, so this is the reason. So his house was in the upper hills. The forest was covered with precious trees. The forest was covered with green. It was a green forest where his house is. It was a green forest covered with precious trees. Many sports goods men now the sports good manufacturing businessmen came in the picture. What they did, they cut the trees. So children, we have to we have to keep on beating them. Yes. Will you allow them to cut the trees from now onwards? No. Why? Because the result you see, sports companies started cutting trees for making goods. What happened? It resulted in devastating floods in adjoining areas. Because when you cut the tree, the soil becomes loose. So when the soil becomes loose, it gives way to the water to flow. Otherwise, the tree root will absorb the water. So flood situation will be less. But because they cut the trees, it became a devastating. Devastating means worse flood where if it takes on many people, many houses it takes on. So, so children, don't allow anyone to cut the trees. Okay, people face many problems due to floods. They understood the importance of. Then only they understood. Normally, what happens? Human nature is they will not bother. They will not think before. Once the incident happens, only they will be cautious. So after that, only people became understood the importance of trees. Okay, that was so. Sundarlal Bahuguna is the person who takes care of the nature. Would you like to become like him? Yes, if you have interest in nature, you will always become like him. Okay, there is no problem. Now, Sundarlal Bahuguna was a what? Was a great environmentalist. Okay, so this is right. His village was surrounded by green forest. It is not dark, it is not brown, it is not dry. It was surrounded by green forest. Precious trees were there. What trees? How many trees you have in your house garden? No. Try to plant more trees. Okay. His village was surrounded by green forest. Then Then you see cutting forest resulted in what happened. I told you when the industrialist, the businessman to manufacture goods, they cut the trees. What happened? It resulted in devastating flood, the worst flood, devastating flood. Sundarlal Bahuguna. Now, what they are asking here, part of speech. What they given? Sundarlal Bahuguna. What is it? What is it? Tell. Sundarlal Bahuguna is what? A person, a place, a thing. What it is? Yeah, very right. That boy, very right. So it is a man's name. It is a person. Now, what they're asking is what type of noun it is? Common, collective, abstract, proper. So whenever a name is mentioned about a particular place or person or thing, then it becomes automatically a proper noun. Okay, it becomes a proper noun. So, children, this mock test two, which I'm telling, mock test one, two, three, whatever we say, it is not only beneficial for Navodaya. Remember that it is beneficial or even Sainik exam. Okay, So because main criteria here is understanding the passage. Now the precious is the synonym of precious means which you like the most. So hateful, loathsome. So precious means priceless. Okay, priceless is the right option. Priceless and precious are one and the same. Now coming to the fourth passage. Okay, we will see the fourth passage. What is the fourth passage? It is about expressing gratitude. See, every passage has a different way. Every passage has a different meaning. It is teaching you something new. Okay. So here, what it is teaching? First passage, what it taught? Tell me. First passage, what I taught. It was telling about humility. Humility means humbleness. What are the advantages of being humble? Second passage, no, you are not able to tell. It means you did not listen carefully. Okay. So it was about doctors and scientists, after researching, they found out why children eyesight and children obesity cases are more in our country. So it is the about television, the harm what you get from television. Okay. Third passage was about an environmentalist. What was his name? Sundarlal Bahuguna. Children, listen very carefully. Okay. Anytime I can put any question. So, so, so listen. Three passages. I will ask you questions tomorrow from this passage. Then we'll see what you will do. Don't take it lightly. Listen very seriously. Okay. Now, now this passage is about gratitude. So humility, gratitude are one and the same actually. Gratitude means being thankful. Humility means being humble. These two qualities you should have, children. I'm telling you. Then only you will be respected person in the life. You will be loved by everyone. You will be liked by everyone, and when you will have many friends. Always take good name in society in this world. Okay. Now your children, you are growing, so you have to now itself keep this quality, bring this quality in you. Remember that. Expressing gratitude is a great virtue. See, again, this word virtue came in this passage. First passage also, humility is a great virtue we read. Here, expressing gratitude is a great virtue which every human being should possess. He is telling everyone should have this quality of being gratitude, expressing gratitude. Expressing gratitude means nothing but if someone is helping you, someone does good for you, you should be always thankful to him. Many people they won't thank. They feel if they say thanks, it is not good. So it is a feeling where we express our thanks to someone. We can express our gratitude in various forms. There are different forms to express gratitude. Not only telling thank you by word, mere by telling by words only is not there. There are many ways to express your gratitude. We can be grateful in our thoughts, thinking good about others. Never be jealous, children. Never be jealous. I know this quality, especially who will have jealousness quality? Ladies. Very good, very good. That boy is really good. This girls and ladies, they have the quality of jealousness. See, you observe. Okay, you observe if they will, if two girls are crossing, they'll watch each other's wearing dress, and they will be jealous, and they will not see straight, they will see with crossed eyes. So we can be grateful in our thoughts, words, and actions. It is not only by merely by telling the word thank you. You think good of others. That also is a gratitude. Okay. When we say when we say thank you, it means we are grateful. That already I told you. We should be grateful to everyone who is helpful to us. We should be grateful to God because He has blessed us with so many good things. Always be thankful to God. Never forget to thank God every morning. We should say thanks to Him from the bottom of our heart. Always say thanks to God and even person from the bottom of your heart, not just merely from your mouth. Okay, it should come from here. Okay. Now, thank you means that we are grateful. Okay, thank you means that we are grateful. So, grateful already it is there. So, this is the right option. What is a great virtue? Expressing cruelty, gratitude, sorrow, misery. What? Ah, right. So, it is thank you means that we are grateful. What is great virtue is expressing gratitude. One can be grateful in one's not only by telling thank you, but by in our thoughts also. In our thoughts also, we can be grateful. Now he has asked helpful. Helpful is what? Part of speech. See, here also is asked a question. Parts of speech, grammar question. So you have to be in touch with your grammar also. Don't think only passage if it is enough. Because such questions comes. That is the why we are preparing the best of the paper, which will be very, very helpful to you in scoring marks. Okay. So helpful is what? Helpful means helping someone. So it is an adjective. What is an adjective? Adjective is the word which describes the noun. So helpful you can only be with a person. Okay. You can only be with a person. Helpful will so adjective is the right option here. Virtue means again it came, you see, again virtue came. Virtue means already in the first passage also we did, here also. So it is a quality. So hope children, this was today's mock test 2 2024 Navodaya paper. Practice it. It is just mere listening and running away is not correct. You have to revise it, note it down. The questions I asked, note it down, see carefully again and again. Okay. And try to practice and be prepared for the exam and be prepared for our next video also. Okay. Or now, after the English, now our mathematics teacher will be coming to explain to you. So don't get up from your seats. Sit there only where you are. Be ready with the notebook because it needs practice. Be ready with a notebook, pen, pencil, everything. Okay, she is coming. Our math teacher within a few minutes. She will be here. You have any other doubt? You can give comment, feedback on the number that are scrolling in our screen. Okay.
And welcome back to Kranti Team YouTube channel. Um, you all of you know, yesterday we posted the mock test one. Navodaya free mock test one. We explained and we posted. And next today we are going to explain about the Navodaya free mock test two. Coming days also we are going to provide the mock test, free mock test. If you want this total question paper, please message hi message to scrolling number whatever on the scroll. And now I'm going to explain about the mental ability and maths. You all of you know yesterday only I told the pattern of the exam. That is a mental ability is the 40 questions, 50 marks, and maths is the 20 questions, 20 marks. In the mental ability, we have 10 parts. We have 10 parts. Part 1. This is the part 1. Part 1 is the odd man out. Odd man out is nothing but different one we need to discuss about different one. Here we need to find the question which is the different one. You have to see the question focus. If you see the first question in this, here, this is A, B, and C, and D. If you observe this question, these questions are connected. But in the lines in this question, the lines are not connected. That is the reason answer is D. Solving of the question is very easy, but you need to observe the figures carefully. All of you who are writing, who are appearing with the Navodaya exam, all can easily only. Like most students got only two or three questions. That rectify. We observe the wow mirror images very carefully. See here, second one. Here circle, 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 and square, 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 and here triangle, triangle, triangle. Here the inner two figures, outer figure is the different. All figures are the same. All figures are the same. All figures are means the answer is the D. And next, if you observe the third question, this is the it is the one fourth part of the figure. This is also one fourth part. This is also one fourth part. But these three are the shaded. But B is not shaded. B is not shaded. That's why answer is the B. Answer is the B. And next here, fourth one, if you observe here, this this is the arrow line is there. Arrow square is there. Arrow line is there. And straight line. But here different is the arrow having the square one box. That's why answer is the D. Answer is the D. Next part Part two is the similarity. Similarity means same figure. We need to find similar figure from the question figure, answer figure. First, you have to remember every question is having only four options. A, B, C, D. Find the answer, exact answer. It's very easy. They will give the directly, some will be rotate. Now see here, in this first fifth one, the similar figure is, if you observe, here the shaded part and here C. And here the shade, same figure is the D, sixth answer. Seventh answer, D. And next, eighth answer, here see the two dots are there, arrow. Upper part is two dots are arrow. Here answer is the D. If you want to any clarification on the questions, comment in our comment box. We will we will follow your comments and we will explain. Here, if you follow our YouTube videos, you can improve at least in your exam. Next ninth one. Ninth one is the incomplete figures. Incomplete. See here, this square. Answer is C. At least here every part is same. Connected, connected. Answer is the D. And next here see this and this circle is there. Answer is the B. Here also same. You have the continued line. Continued line here it is the A. The 12th answer is A. And next part 4. Part 4 is a series. Series is means ascending order, descending order, increasing order, decreasing order. See here, 13th one, here 1, clockwise it is moving this and this, then it will be closed. Answer is D. And next first, this is the same, but this triangle become a reverse. Here also this will be the same, the triangle will become a reverse. Means answer is A. If this is the empty circle, we got 1 and we got 2 separations. Now we will get the three separation. Where it is? It is in the exact in the C. And now here see, this part is moving the clockwise. Move like the clock. Again move that clock. Now it will be moves like that clock. Means this box will complete like that and dot come down. Dot is the down. And next the fifth part here, figures. Cutting figures is nothing but you have to make a square or any geometrical figure. Most of the questions you will get from the square only. Make a square. See here, this what you can keep, it will become a square. If you observe in this question, this square you have to rotate the figure. If you rotate this figure, this will be the answer. The rotation, this part is here, this part is here, this part is here, this. And next one more 18th one. See here, what is the, this will become a square. If you observe here, the answer is the See, next here also, like the 18th one, if you keep which part? Which part, if you rotate this part, this is the answer. And next, now 20, see here, see, where it is here, the here we need to get the whole and this. If you rotate, the answer will be the here C. C is the answer. And next part is the analogy. Whenever analogy, you have to remember easily these figures are the analogy means it will be represents with these dots. These dots is the topic. This is the easy to identify the analogy. See here what happened in the figure. The cross is there, but it becomes a plus. Same thing here. Plus is there. It becomes a cross. But the outer half is the removed. Answer is D. So here what happened? This becomes a upside. Upside open. Same thing. It becomes a upside triangle. Here. So see. And here, this is the quarter part, it becomes a full. This is also quarter part, it becomes a full. The answer is A. And next here, these are six hexagon. This is the five figure sided. Here, five figure sided becomes a four figure. Here, four figures is the A. Here, six sided, five sided, five sided becomes a four sided. Four. And next here, part 7. Part 7 is nothing but mirror images, water images. Here, mirror. Mirror means right goes to left, left goes to right. Water images means top goes to bottom, bottom goes to top. This is the mirror and water images. See here, 25th one. Here, water image. Water image is nothing but top goes to bottom, bottom goes to top. This will become say answer A. And for this, it is a mirror image. This will be here. K is also water image. This is also and this. Answer is B. And next here, water image for the 27, the this one and this. And this is the answer. If the part is left here, not and there. Here, there, not here. But it is not the correct answer. Where is the answer to this? In the C. And next here also mirror images. If right goes to left, left goes to right. And here they circle and into this cross will be like that. Answer is A. Answer is A. And next part is eighth part. This is the one of the toughest topic total ability. But it easy only if you understand easily. See, paper folding. This is a circle paper. They folded four sides like that. And in the center they have the star, nothing. Same star will come. But this half circle becomes a big circle. Same will come. Where it is here, but there is no cuttings will come here. Answer is the B. Answer is the B. Here also square paper, they folded like they folded here. If you unfold this, it will come like the again, if unfold this side, you will get the four triangles. Here, four. Answer is A. Here also, rock stamp paper. They folded this side, this side. They folded this, they folded. But squares only turn because there is no side any chip is there. The answer is B. Here also, the first square bit folded, again folded, they cut like that. Means this is a water image, again it will become like that. Where it is here, answer is the D. Answer is the D. And for more mock test, free mock test papers and explanation for easy methods, if you want, watch our YouTube channel, follow our YouTube channel, you will get a free mock test set. Here shape of the added figures. We have the four. This will be in the D. And here This is a this and this. D. Here, how many triangles are there? Five. In the middle, this. Where it is the five small, six triangles. Six small triangles, and this is the hexagon. Hexagon. Here it is not hexagon. Actually, this will be happen. Answer is the B. And next here, one rhombus, one triangle is there. If you observe this, answer is the A. Answer is the A. Next, this is the hidden figures. Hidden figures means the question figure is hiding in the space. Answer is this is the curve. This will be the curve. It is hidden here. And one more, this type of shape will come. See here. This. Answer is D. And one more here. Where it is hidden, here it is hidden A. And next, curve and coffee cup. Here, see, curve and coffee. It is here. These are the mental ability topics. 10 topics. These are all mental ability 10 topics. It is very easy to score the 40 questions correct only. Now I am going to explain the arithmetic. First of all, the main thing is when you are going to do the arithmetic question paper in any competitive exam, the main thing is you need to read the question thoroughly. Reading the question. If you are not getting the answer, first of all, read. If you are not the answer, go to second time reading. Why? Because in the Navodaya, most of the questions in the arithmetic that will be directly lengthy questions only, like word problems. These are all the word problems. That's why first you need to read the first question properly. That is very important. Here, first question 41. Pariksha scored 250 on her math quiz. What question she did? What is the percentage formula here? Total score and total marks into 100. Total marks into 100. Here see 200 by 250 into 100. Yesterday only I told you video. Whenever what percent you need to find grade. That is very important. Here also I multiplied with 100. 0 cancel. 25 ones are 25 eights are 8 tens are. The answer is 80%. She scores 80%. And next, the first 9 multiples of 3. First 9 multiples of 3, they are asking average. First thing, here, what 3 multiples? You know already 3. 3 2s are 6. 6 3 3s are 9 plus 12 plus 15 plus and 80 plus 24, 21 plus 24 plus 27. We know these are the multiples first one. But if you add in these and again if you do the average, it is a very lengthy problem. We have already one formula. Sum of the numbers. What is the meaning? Sum of the numbers by number of numbers. Sum of the numbers by number of numbers. Here, number of numbers we need to, number of numbers we know already, these are the 9. Some numbers. Here, 3 multiples. How many? 3 into n of n plus 1 by 2 we need to do. Here, 3 into n is how many multiples? 9 into 10 by 2. 2 ones are 5s are 45. 45 threes are 135. These are the sum of the numbers. 135 by 9. 9 ones are 9 15s are. The first 9 multiples of 3 is the 9. If you add, you will get same like that only. 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 9, 18, 30, 45. If you add this total, you will get 135 only. By 9 is also, you will get the same answer. Same answer. And next one here. Next is the 43 here. The value of the 4 3 by 4 minus 2 1 by 2. This is only the this is only the simplification. 4 3 by 4. 4 3 by 4 is 19 by 4 minus 5 by 2. Take the LCM into 2 into 2. Here 19 by 4 minus 10 by 4. 9 by 4. 9 by 4 is nothing but 2 1 by 4. 2 1 by 4. Answer is C. 5 factorization of 45. First it will comes in the 3 table factorization. 5 nothing but we need to do the factorization only 5 numbers. 3 ones are 5s are. 3 5s are. Here see the prime factors of that 3 into 3 into 5. 3 into 3 into 5. Here 3 into 3. 3 into 3 is on the 4 there. You can write this also 3 square into 5. Answer is B. Answer will be the 3. And next 45. 45 asking here more gains 20 by 60 paisa on 60 rupees. What is the his gain percentage? Most of the students here only 60 by 60 into 100. But whenever you are finding the gain percent, loss percent, everything, if they have should the units, you need to convert the units into same. This is very important. Here gain 60 paisa. Here what rupees 60 rupees is there. Observe this 60 rupees and 60 paisa. Here 60 into 100 6,000 paisa. Now it puts it 60 by 6,000 into 100. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 6, 6. It is the 1%. The value is 1%. 1%. Next, 46th question. The value of 11 point. Where for the Navodaya, the decimals are very important. The decimals topic is the very important for the Navodaya. 11.3 into 2.6. Do the multiplication. Normally 21 and 9, 7, 6, 2, 2. 1, 5, 10, 3. 3051 after decimal 2 places means 30.51. 30.51. 30.51 answer. Next it is the 47. This is the statement questions. These are all the see all of 47 question. This is the statement question. Statement question is nothing but in question only included 4 questions means option based questions. We need to check the options thoroughly for this question. Question clearly here. Select the common numbers. Here they are asked. So see here. First of all, CXVX. CC means 1 8. 2 1 8. This is not the correct match. And next, DCC 769. This is the correct match. Okay, let's go for check another rule also. 399. 299. This is also wrong match. It's here 5,000. This is not it. This is a 7,000. 7,447. This is also wrong match. In this question, the correct match is the B. Correct match is the B. Next question 48. Left home at 7:15 a.m. He returned at 4:45 p.m. How long Sandy was away from home? Here she started 7:15 a.m. Ended 4:45 p.m. Convert it is a 24 hours plus 12. Plus 1645. 1645. Means we need to do the 1645 minus 715. 0, 3, 11, 7, 6 minus 7, 9. 9 hours 30 minutes. This is the answer is 9 hours 30 minutes. You can go for answer. You can count with fingers also. This is very easy method. You can go for this. Actually 7:15 to 45. If you count on the fingers 8:15, 9:15, 11:15, 12, 2:15, 3:15. Up to 6:15, it is the 9 hours. Up to 6:15, it is the 9 hours. 4:15, it is the 30 minutes. It is the 30 minutes. That is the 9 hours 30 minutes. 9 hours 30 minutes. Same we got this question. What next here 49 here algebra. Here they gave the equation. They are asking the equation value. They are asking the equation value. Here find the value of x1 plus x1 plus y. Here see here first x square. X square plus xy plus 1. Yes. X into y plus 1. In the x place, you can write 2 into 2 plus in the place x is 2, y is equals to 3 plus 3. 2 2 is a 4, 2 3 is a 6 plus 3. 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 3, 13. Answer is 13. Here only we need to substitute the values of x and y in the equation. And you have to remember x, y. If the two variables are there, there is no nothing comparison is there, nothing is not there means it is nothing but into. If the two variables we didn't have any operation symbol, that is nothing but into. Answer is C. Here, subtract. This is also very important question. This is you need to understand the procedure. Subtract 29.375 from the sum of these. Means what they are asking. First, you have to find the sum. After that, you need to subtract this. Means you have applied two operations on this. Here, finding the sum. 5.9. 5, 16, 11, 1. 91.65. We got this 91.65. We got the sum. They are asking to subtract this. Means what they are asking to subtract? 29.375. Here, there is no value in the upper part. Then you can keep as if this place 0. 0, there is no value. Here 4, it becomes a 10, 5, 5, here 5, 14, 7, 5 minus 2, 2, and next 8, 11, 6. 62.275. 62.275. The answer is 62.275. Next 51 question. 51 question. Here they gave the evaluate. Evaluate nothing but simplification. In the free mock test, yesterday also if you observe, in the free mock test you have simplification. Go once Navodaya paper. In that also, you mostly get simplification sums 2 or 3. 2 or 3. Evaluate. They are evaluate these two. First, going to find here. Oh, why did make them to your children here? For the three Navodaya test, three who are for the Navodaya, who are appearing for the Navodaya, Make them to attend the children daily. We are every day we are giving them live everyday free mock test from 2 p.m. onward. If you have any doubts on the free mock test papers, if you observe the any you want to improve your score, if your child has to be best in the score, please follow our videos daily. We will start 2 p.m. every day free mock test papers. Make them encourage children to attend the videos. Please, parents, and next, if you want free mock papers, please send a message to the WhatsApp number. It is scrolling on the down. Okay. Here, here we need to find first here. First numerator. Numerator first have bracket tag. In minus 3 means minus 3 plus into minus minus 3. This value is minus 16. Divided by minus 16. Total value is the 1. Numerator is we got the 1. Same number by same number, we got one more 1. 1 by 1 equals to 1. 1 by 1 equals to 1. 1 by 1 equals to 1. Check perimeter of the given figure. And we all of you know perimeter. To find in the perimeter, 4 plus of the square, 4 into sine, 2 of L plus B. This is okay, but you have perimeter. What is the perimeter? Perimeter is nothing but surrounded on given area. Any figure surrounded is the perimeter. Here it is a different form, different. Here there is no form, but here we need to find the all sides. We have side, this 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 side. We didn't have this. But we need to balance the sleeping line. See here, 2 plus 4, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 3, this will be the 10. Then add the perimeter all sides, add the perimeter 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 6 plus 4, 4 plus 4 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10, 13, 17, 20, 22, 32 plus 4 36. 36 is the answer. 36 is the answer. And next question here 53. 53. There was 385 trees in a forest. In another forest, there were 795 trees. How many trees were in the second forest? Nothing. We need to do here only subtraction. If you see the question, it is the lengthy, but the answer is very easy. We need to find the fraction. 8, 15, 9, 3, and next 3, and next the 9. 939 is the answer. Here in our mock test, we are trying on the basics of the maths. Our aim is to encourage the children and developing in the children in the basics. Why? Because basics was very important. Fundamentals are very important. If they have the fundamentals are very good, they can reach any. They can do any hard sum. First, we are trying to our level. We are increasing the level of the question paper. Uh, uh, ascending order. Why? Because yesterday to today we just becomes a little bit harder. Like that, the question paper sat also. For this going off test in the basics in the basics area, they can easily develop very easily. They will be very confident for this question. Here, see the greatest four-digit number with all digits 5 and 100 plus. Here they are asking 100 plus 5. In the B and D we didn't have. In the A and C 5 is in the 100 plus. But here also greatest four digit number 9598 9587. 9598 is the greatest number. 9598 is the greatest number. And next question here, see 1 equals to how many millions? 1 crore. You know already 1 crore is nothing but we have the 7 zeros. 1 million is nothing but We have the 6 zero. Cancel 6 zeros. Nothing but 10 million. This question, you will get the most common question. And they will ask 1 million equals to how many thousand? 1 lakh equals to how many million? Otherwise, they will always ask 1 equals to how many million? Already we know 1 equals to how many hundreds, like that. That is zeros. That is very easy to find the question. Here, Mr. bought 1 kg of vegetables and Ram bought 3.5 kg of vegetables. Find the total of the addition 2 1 by 4, 3 1 by 2. Two nothing but 9 by 4, here 7 by 2. Into 2, into 2. Here 9 plus 14 by 4. It is nothing but 23 by 4. Means here 5 3 by 4 kgs. Answer is 5 3 by 4 kgs. And next 57 ratio. Here they are asking the ratio of 5 minutes to 30 seconds. Here thing is that very important. Changes in the units. Changing the units is the very important. Minutes 4 into 60. How many seconds? 40 seconds. 240, 0 cancel, 3 ones are 8. The ratio will be is the 8 is to 1. One third of a right angle. Right angle 90 degrees. 1 by 3 into 90. 3 ones are 30. 30 degrees. Answer is 30 degrees. And next here, 59, the decimal form of the 30. 38. 4 by 10, 4 by 100, we can write 0.04. Here, 38.0, 38.04. And the perimeter of the rectangle, length and breadth. First, whenever they are asking in the perimeter and area, length and breadth they used to give means that time you have to check the units. You have to check the units. Here, centimeters is there, centimeters. Means there is no network. If the distance you have to convert into one frame. Here, what is the perimeter formula? 2 of L plus B. What is the L here? 50, B here 25. 2 into 75. Here 150. The perimeter is the 150 centimeter. These are the today's mock test paper, mock test question explanation. If you want to get mock test free mock test paper, please WhatsApp to our mobile number, whatever scroll down. Tomorrow also we are going to continue the live free mock test Navodaya. 2 o'clock. Follow on the channel and make them to your child also follow the channel. It will be very useful to the child to improve marks 10 to 10 marks at least. Thank you. Ah.